Looking for a serene getaway? Let's explore top 5 must-visit places in Valparai, a hidden gem in Tamil Nadu's Western Ghats. These spots are perfect for nature lovers and peace seekers alike. Let's dive in. This river flows through lush forests, offering a calm, rejuvenating experience. Imagine walking barefoot across the cool, clear water as you take in the tranquil surroundings. It's the perfect spot for nature walks and a peaceful break. Bring an extra towel and some sturdy shoes because the rocks can be slippery. Don't forget your camera, the reflections in the water here are picture perfect. One of the largest dams in Asia, the Sholyar Dam offers breathtaking views of the surrounding hills and valleys. It's an incredible spot for photography, with mist often rolling in over the waters in the early mornings. Whether you are a photographer or a nature lover, you'll be left speechless by the beauty here. Plan your visit around sunset for magical golden hour lighting and fewer tourists. It's the perfect time for stunning photos and quiet moments by the water. For panoramic views of the Western Ghats, Nalamudi viewpoint is unbeatable. The valley below, dotted with tea estates, is often covered by mist in the early morning, adding a mystical touch to the experience. Whether you are a photographer, a hiker, or simply a nature lover, this viewpoint offers one of the best vistas in the region. Arrive early, before 9 a.m., to catch the perfect view as the clouds start to clear, revealing the stunning landscape below. It's the best time for crisp, clear views. Known as the Cherrapunji of South India, Chinna Kallar Falls is one of the wettest places in the region. The heavy rainfall creates a mystical atmosphere as the water cascades down amidst thick forests. If you are an adventurer at heart, this is the perfect spot to explore and feel nature's raw power. Make sure to pack a raincoat and waterproof shoes because the trail to the falls can be slippery. The trail is wild, but the beauty of the falls makes it all worth it. Hidden deep inside a tea estate, Birla Waterfalls is one of Valparai's best-kept secrets. The cool, gushing water surrounded by dense forest makes it the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle. It's peaceful and often less crowded than other waterfalls in the region. Be sure to get permission from the estate guards before visiting. The area is private property, and it's always best to check in with the local authorities for a smooth visit. Valparai is truly a hidden paradise, perfect for anyone looking to unwind and reconnect with nature. Whether it's waterfalls, misty viewpoints, or serene rivers, Valparai offers something for every nature lover. Subscribe for more travel tips and guides, and don't forget to check out the full itinerary and hidden gems on our website.